Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play against bots in Warzone. So let's start. If you want to play Call of Duty with bots in Warzone and you don't know how, well, it's possible to do it. Yes. How you can do it? You should set up their VPN to one of the countries, for example, India, Egypt, or Brazil. These countries have the fewest players, so you will automatically be matched with bots. But how you can get a VPN? This is the most important question for you, truly. So we recommend you NordVPN. NordVPN is the best VPN service online. And if you use NordVPN, you can unlock chats from anywhere, you can play games anywhere, and you can play, for example, Warzone with bots safely. And with our parent link in the description below, you get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. Also guys, plus this one, you will get a 30-day money back warranty. What means this? That if you don't like the service from NordVPN and you don't like how it works, you get your money back. So that is an amazing warranty. Also, in principal page, before you can check all the features that offer you NordVPN, for example, global coverage, a VPN with dark web monitor, etc. So after you register with the link in the description below, you have to log in here, and then you have to write your email address as well as your password. Then just click on login. Here on login, you will find the principal page. Then let's go to the left side, and you have to click here on NordVPN. And here on NordVPN, just scroll down, and you have to go to manual setup. Here click on manual setup, and then just click here on the country. As I told you, there are countries for this one, that is India, Egypt, or Brazil. You can select one of these one, because as you can see, there have many countries for connecting the VPN. So just looking for the one that you prefer here. And for example, let's try Egypt. Just looking for Egypt country. As you can see here, and appears another VPN. You can select one of these, and then just click here on get setup configuration. You have to connect there, and now you can use the VPN from Egypt. Also, if you have problems, you have here tutorials for you for helping you to connect the VPN. And now you can play without any problem against bots in Warzone. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.